Okay. Little bit of cleaning, okay? Is it paining?
No, no, sir.
So, look at the difference, right? Huge difference. We're going to show you more views. Look that side, on the side. Look at that nose now, and look at the nose that he came to us with. That's how he was before, and you can see the improvement. Done work on the alar base, we've done work on the tip, I've increased the length of the nose, done work on the radix, augmentation, osteotomy, everything. Rib harvest day 7 today. Right, we move on. We move on to the another view. Probably going to this side. This is not a very sharp picture. No. Okay, in the side, paranga. Just turn this side a little bit, please. This picture is not very sharp, but still you can see the difference. The one on that side is one that is really. So there is some swelling here, okay?
Okay.
That's why you're having slight pain. We have put rib inside. We've got augmentation done. Okay, see the tip
Yes, sir.
to what it was. Narrowed it down a lot, and so it is going to get much better.
See, this swelling going down.
Yes, will go down. Yes, lot of swelling now, and even the color in your eyes, and that will become normal. Okay, but that's going to take easily few days.
Okay.
Maybe at least 2 weeks it can take. Okay, where are you come from?
Hyderabad.
Okay, so take care when you go back to Hyderabad. Wait there for a 3-4 weeks, and then take our medicines. How was your stay here? It was comfortable? No much problems? Everything was smooth? How much pain did you have?
No pain. First 2 days there is
Left slight pain, more in the rib area or in the nose?
rib.
Rib area, little pain was there. Okay, but it's bearable now. And today is how many days?
6th day.
6th day. And you're able to breathe well? Perfect breathing. And no diet restriction, nothing, right? No diet restriction. Very good. So, friends, you're able to understand, even if when we're doing a major reconstructive rhinoplasty like this with rib harvest, patient says he has mild pain for a couple of days. We are using very minimal analgesics also. And then after that, he has no pain whatsoever, no discomfort, no dietary restriction too. But you have to take care of your nose because bone takes 4 weeks for healing.
Okay.
So you have to be very careful for 4 weeks. I would recommend 2 weeks of rest
Okay.
so that it heals properly. How much improvement do you think there is from before to now?
70%.
70%?
No, swelling is there, no doctor.
Yeah. But if you think this is 70%, then there's nothing like 100%. Honestly, I've been doing this for years now, and this kind of a nose, look there, this kind of a nose, if that transformation you think is 70%, either you're not very good in maths, or you're being mean to me, you're being very unfair, right? Yes or no? Yeah, I think it's at least 90% or more. This is very difficult noses, huh? You've got, your nasal skin is 1 centimeter thick. Yeah. So for that you have to give me an award for actually doing it like this. It's very difficult. You can check with any leading rhinoplasty surgeon in any part of the world. Because see, when the skin becomes as thick as this, you see that? It's just like, it's really thick. So to mold that is very hard. And I think I took about 3 hours for your surgery. That's what almost 3 hours. It's not a simple one with rib and everything. So I think this is about the best kind of improvement you can get when you have a very severely deformed nose. So be satisfied with the result, because if you go for a revision somewhere or I'm not going to do a revision for you, but if you do a revision or something later on, it can only get worse. Very high chance, because these are difficult things. So we have to be satisfied with some improvements that we get, because our earlier problem was that much. So we should not look at like, very fine sharp tips and all that. All right. Okay. Thank you.